I just want to reply long comment long you Berta. Harim Berta, you harim good reply below me long you. Bye harim good. You have to listen very carefully. I will tell you something. Your comment is like this. One time through Bougainville building this black country through all rebel BRA now all like sim independence PNC kisim independence ino lo lose him life. Well, PNC kisim independence long golden plate. PNC kisim independence lo golden plate. You sabi lo di sila to. Why PNC been kissing independence lo golden plate? You say questioning you yet too. You sabi lo history too. Berta, you are remigut. Bougainville is the best island to talk about independence since 1964, not 1975. Na time only like declaring independence long Bougainville long 1st of September 1975. Something it twist around. You sabi lo di sila to. Bougainville been ready long come up independence. And this is the truth and this is the fact. Miyuklo talking you Barta. You must sabi long history. Suppose you know sabi long history, you also diway know got roots. You have to know your history. This blood diway emi got roots. Suppose emi know got roots, by die. This la flower, yeah, hibiscus, yeah. So if you don't know your history, you know got tasol. Bougainville emi been prepared to come up independent. You know pa po you can even talk pas long independence. Kiss me good. Bougainville emi been talk pas long independence. Na Bougainville been ready long come up independence. Na time only been like up in plek long Bougainville long 1975. 1st of September. Something twist. You sabi lo dis lato. Time mi twist. How Bougainville building PNC? Me talking you. Michael Somaret, I mean, been kissing this black kingship long come Prime Minister through long Sepo Lapun, the Queen of England. I mean, been put down long Port Moresby. I'm telling you. Me gonna talking you. The Queen of England and been put down long this lagi round now me stop long me can look go down long happen be stop le and been put down long Arawa town. You sabi to. And put down long here. The best Prime Minister, the best guy to be become the Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea, man Bougainville, Sepo Lapun. You sabi lo this la too. Okay, you sabi lo this la too. Okay, time something him been twist now na only been come up one time ting long only give him back, only give him the PNC. The golden plate. Bougainville was ready at the time. Lo come up independence. Okay, time me twist. How Bougainville me been building country PNC. I'm talking you now. Panguna mine that is the only one mine long this black time. The best mining is at Kupe. Olo chairman been making the best mining. You sabi lo this plateau. You know sabi. So how Bougainville me been building you long ask him. Bougainville me been boosting economy long Papua New Guinea time me kisim independence now long 16th of September 1975. Long mining. Long mining. Bougainville I no build him through long rebel. Me talking you. Rebel rebel. We are not rebel. We are freedom fighters. No kat wampla rebel istablo yelo Bougainville. I'm telling you right now. Same thing from you fucking asshole. There is no rebel in Bougainville. Harim. We are freedom fighters. We have the freedom fighters in Bougainville, not rebel. Fuck the rebel. Bougainville even building PNC through long mining. Bougainville boosting economy belong Papua New Guinea. Bougainville making economy currency belong Papua New Guinea. Go abrusing currency belong America. You sabi lo dislatu. True log around low shot. Bougainville. Province blow you been making one name. Okay, at the time, maybe been run go. Okay. 1976 now. Only been making this Bougainville agreement under long mining act. Yeah. Francis Ona, our great leader, me talking to you, you know, sabe lo plus something. And me look sabe lo something, and me go run no good. Australian benefit more. PNG, and me twisting something now. God is showing him, the God of Bougainville, and is showing him the only our great leader, Francis Ona. You sabe, you know sabe. And me showing him, love something, true love peace in. And the one guy, and me sana strong long people long Bougainville long sucking down this la Rio Tinto. You sabe lo this plateau. BRA and me come up behind Bougainville Revolutionary Army and me come up behind because long country belong you and me been start long bakarapin people belong Bougainville bakarapin giraun belong Bougainville diamane mol people no kat look sabe long mama giraun no kat look sabe long all people belong Bougainville. That is why BRA come up. I hope you sabe how Bougainville been built in this black country where now you corrupt. Yes. That's why me still continue long fight, long independence. 25,000 lives lost long Bougainville because long this, because long Australia and Papua New Guinea. Because we want independence in our land, and we will conduct our own our resources in our own land. Instead long come up slave long you. Now to you PNC slave long country Australia and this blood. Well, you don't know anything. You just shut the fuck up your mouth. I hope you know. And you sabe. Now by you looking reply below me. Now you sabe long how Bougainville built in this black country because you question him. You know sabe. Now you question him. And sabe long him ya. Bougainville and no build in this black country through long all rebel. No, there is no rebel in Bougainville. I'm telling you. Stop using that word to the people of Bougainville. No can using this black. Have talk rebel long Bougainville. We are not the rebel. No one is a rebel here. We are good people. We are freedom fighters, and we are very nice people. We are welcoming people and respectful people in Bougainville. No rebel here. I'm telling you. Boy man, me talking you, don't use that word to the people of Bougainville. We are not rebel. That's all. You clear now by looking this post. Now by you clear. Suppose you know sabe now by you clear how Bougainville and me building this black country PNC. Country belong you me where now and me walk long bagarap. Thank you. Long dinaw, ibagarap long dinaw, planting kind mining stuff, planting kind something stuff, but emino kita along this black country. This black come long you na. Good black abinun long you na. Big man tasol by giving you more sabe na guluk sabe long one kind island in Bougainville. Instead long you talk kind long. Instead long you talk kind long social media also on Facebook or one TikTok or one YouTube or one big man by showing you thinking blow you by clear. Thank you la good bla abnun long you bla all kata people.